Good day and mabuhay. My name is Margaret Hugueta from HM4B, and today we will discuss the Chapter 4, which is about service discovery, delivery, and recovery. These three are very important in the tourism and hospitality industry because they focus on how services are created, provided, and improved when problems happen. Service discovery refers to identifying what customers need and expect. Service delivery is the actual process of providing the service to customers. Lastly, service recovery is how an organization responds when something goes wrong. In this chapter, we will focus on how service standards are developed and communicated to address service issues effectively. And now, let's move on to the first topic, which is the standards in developing a plan to address service issues. The development process refers to setting service standards that enhance the organization's image, reputation, and value for money. In simple terms, businesses need clear standards to ensure customer service, quality service. When we say develop, it means the gradual improvement or formation of service and system. It is not something done overnight. It takes planning, evaluation, and continuous improvement. On the other hand, process refers to a series of organized actions to achieve specific results. In tourism development, this means creating strategies and plans that improve the tourism industry in a destination while also addressing service issues. By having proper standards and a clear plan, organizations can prevent problems, respond effectively to complaints, and maintain customer satisfaction. Service development is also connected to the Sustainable Development Goals, or the SDG. For example, SDG 8 focuses on decent work and economic growth. By improving service standards, companies create quality jobs and better service performance. SDG 9 talks about industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Efficient and innovative service systems helps businesses operate smoothly. SDG 11 promotes sustainable cities and communities. In tourism, this means encouraging community-based and sustainable tourism practices. SDG 12 is about responsible consumption and production. This reminds organizations to use resources efficiently when delivering services. Lastly, SDG 17 emphasizes partnership for the goals. Improving service standards requires collaborations among stakeholders such as government, private sectors, and community. Integrating SDGs ensures that service improvement is not only beneficial for customers but also sustainable for society.
A communication plan is a strategic document that outlines how information will be distributed in order to achieve specific goals. It compromises information about the intended audience, key points, modules of communication, and deadlines. For a specific project or effort, this strategy ensures an efficient and trustworthy flow of information. A communication standard is a collection of agreed rules and criteria. For effective communication, it sets standards for all interactions in terms of format, quality, and a tone. A standard describes the broad methods for effective and professional communication, whereas a plan focuses on specific communication objectives.
Making sure that hotel operations follow standard procedures to provide quality services to the guest. These include reservation, housekeeping, and registration. Reservation handles booking and guest information. Housekeeping ensures that rooms and public areas are clean, and registration manage the check-in process. Following these standards helps avoid errors and ensures smooth hotel operations. Different organizations also help in setting services standards, such as tourism associations, training providers, educational institutions, government agency, and consultants. Monitoring service ensures that hotel standards are followed, leading to better service quality and guest satisfaction. Number 5. Measurement and actual performance. Sales performance in the hospitality industry can measure using 3 indicators: revenue per available room, average daily rate, and occupancy rate. These metrics helps evaluate how effectively rooms are being sold and how much revenue is being generated. However, performance is not only about numbers. An effective team plays a major role in achieving strong results. First is clear goals. Guide team members in aligning their efforts toward shared objectives. Second is relevant skills. Ensure that each member can perform tasks efficiently and handle challenges. Third is mutual trust. Building confidence, cooperation, and open communication with the team. Fourth, unified commitment. Strengthen dedication and shared responsibility for outcomes. Fifth is good communication. Allows good ideas and feedback to be shared clearly, reducing misunderstanding. And last, recognitions and rewards. Motivate members, improve morale, and reinforce positive performance. Actual performance is measured through key sales metrics, but strong teamwork is what drives those numbers.
I will briefly discuss the three important concepts in sustainable tourism: the supervisor, the loading staff, and the service discovery. First, supervisor is not a task manager, but an agent of accountability and ethics. They connect global sustainability goals such as those promoted by the United Nations to daily operation, ensuring workers' rights and environmental standards are upheld. Next, the loading staff are essential tourism workers, even if not always formally recognized. Their role is central to labor rights, safety, and ethical supply chain, protecting their rights and working conditions for sustainable industry growth. Finally, the service discovery is the process that allows consumer and regulators to verify that tourism services are ethical, safe, and sustainable. It links travel rights to tourism with a professional obligation to honesty, supported by standards from the World Tourism Organization. Together, these elements ensure tourism remains responsible, fair, and sustainable.
Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss communicating standards and plan and its role in effective communication. Organizational and internal communication improves teamwork, employee engagement, and understanding of goals within an organization. Marketing and consumer communication helps businesses connect with customers and build brand loyalty. Crisis and strategic communication focuses on clear and timely response to protect reputation during problems. Technology and digital communication shows how social media and digital tools make up communication faster but require responsible use. Communication in leadership and management helps leader guide, motivate, and support their teams. Lastly, communication for social change and advocacy raises awareness and encourages people to support important social issues. In conclusion, effective communication creates clarity, strengthens relationships, and helps organizations achieve their goals. Thank you.